Today we're tackling one of the hottest topics in tech, AI agents. Everyone's talking about them, but what actually is an AI agent? In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn what agents are, how they work under the hood, and how to delegate your very first task to one. Let's dive in. So, what is an AI agent? Here's the short version. It's the difference between AI that talks and AI that gets work done. Chatbots have been answering our questions for years. Agents go a big step further. They actually complete tasks for you. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to spot a real agent, explain how it works, and hand one a task of your own. That's the promise. Let's define it properly. An AI agent is software powered by an AI model that perceives its environment, plans its own steps, and takes actions to reach a goal with minimal input from you. Compare that to a chatbot. A chatbot is reactive. You ask, it answers, and that's it. An agent is proactive. You give it a goal, and it figures out the steps, uses tools, and finishes the job. Think of it this way. A chatbot is like a vending machine with fixed options. An agent is like a personal chef who understands what you want and adapts along the way. So how does an agent actually work? It runs a loop. First, it takes your goal. Then it perceives the situation, makes a plan, and acts using tools like web browsers, APIs, or code. After each action, it checks the result and adjusts. Then it repeats until the job is done. 3 components make this possible. The brain, an AI model that reasons and decides. Memory, so it keeps context across steps. And tools, that's how the agent touches the real world. Goal, plan, act, check. That loop is the heart of every agent. Now let's make it real. Companies use support agents that resolve refunds end-to-end. Research agents that gather and summarize sources overnight. Sales agents that prioritize prospects and draft outreach emails. But here's the most common mistake. Giving an agent a vague goal. Agents need clarity. So here's your homework. Write a 1-page agent task brief. Pick one repetitive task. Define the goal. List the inputs. Name the tools and describe exactly what done looks like. Do this and you're ready to delegate. And that's a wrap. Remember the key idea, an AI agent doesn't just answer, it perceives, plans, and acts to reach your goal. Your next step is simple. Write your agent task brief and try delegating that first task this week.